how to create an account on Magic School AI. So this Magic School AI is a new tool for teachers that can help them save time. In order to create an account, click on the sign up free right here, and then from in there you should be prompted right here for the sign up page of this Magic School AI. Now you can sign up using your email, password, and confirm your password, or you can also sign up using your Google, Microsoft, or single sign-on. For this case, I'll head over and then just choose my Google right here since that is easier. So I recommend you do the same, but you do you. So from in there, just will sign it up. Click on continue right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the tools that the Magic School AI actually shows. So in here, you just need to put in here a profile picture of yourself. Then on this upload image, and then put in here a picture of you. So I'll head over and upload in here a picture and open it. And as you can see, in just a few seconds, it should be able to upload itself. So from in there, you can also put in here your basic informations. And then also your email, your role. So click on role right here. And for example, let's put in here a teacher. Now I can also put in here grades. Like for example, where in grades you want to use this. For example, for this one, let's head over and use this for high school or middle school. Now, once you have chosen that, you can also choose another more if you want to as well. Now, I can also choose the subjects. Like, for example, all subjects like elementary, arts and music, English, health education, special education, math, social studies, and the likes right here. So you can also choose a lot. And in here, you can see that you can put in here your school and district as well as the country where you're teaching right here. So from in there, just head over and click on Save Profile, and let's get started right here. Now, you can see in here their actual AI assistant that can help you with this task. Now, on the next video, I will show you how to set it up and how to use it properly. So that's how you create an account on Magic School AI. Hope we helped.